Hello everyone. We are testing a defrost timer. Uh, we already opened it. This is one. This is a regular defrost timer with the cap like that. You unscrew it, take it out, and then this is the advanced manual setting. You can advance it, and you're gonna see how the contacts in between they're gonna move to between one or the other. This is the label from underneath. It says that the switch 3 and 4, which is this one and this one, is actually, this one is upside down. So okay, all switch 3 is this one and switch 4 is this one. These two are gonna yield 125 volts at 10 amps. So these two is for sure. This one, the number 4, is for sure for the compressor. I'm sorry, for the defrost heater. The compressor doesn't need that much of a amp power, which is this one between 3 and 4, which is 3 and 4 going back. 3 and 4, and then 3 and 2. This is 3 and this is 2. Okay, so 3 and 2 is for the defrost heater, and 3 and 4, this is for the compressor. Okay, anyway, and this is going to be a common. Common has a capacitor in between that's gonna do some resistance for the motor. And this is the motor. I'm about to try it out because this defrost timer has been failing. It doesn't advance, so my guess is that I already tested that the contacts in between. I advanced the timer manually and they seem to work. So I'm gonna be testing out just the motor itself. This is 125 volts, I'm sorry, and that's the regular motor. You just take it out, pry it out with a flathead screwdriver, and this one is a little gear that goes on top. Okay, anyway, I'm gonna try to put it real quick. And the gears are not broken or anything. You should also inspect for that. It does take. It does. They do move. So let's see if the electric motor is working. I'm gonna plug it into 120 volts and we'll see what happens. Just a second. There it is. 1, 2, 3. Okay, as you can see, is it moving? I see that it's not moving. It's not. It's going back and forth like a. See that? I'm trying to put on pressure. It's not going around. It's just shaking like a washer, old style washer, going back and forth. This is supposed to be turning around and moving the gears on the upper part of the defrost timer. And right now I have plugged. That's live, so I'm not gonna touch it. See how it's not moving? So I'm gonna take this part out. That's not moving either. Look, put my finger, it's not moving. It's not turning. I'm gonna put my nail. It's really like moving back and forth. So this is the motor, the defrost timer motor, that it's defective. It has stopped working. Now I have to replace it with a new defrost timer. It's not too expensive, maybe like $5 to $10 new. And I had a question about the numbering here. They don't matter. You can buy just about any that is about the same shape, because these three are the ones that are going to be switching between back and forth, and this is the common. So this, because there are some timers that have a 3 here, a 2, a 4, and the 3 or 1, whichever is left here. They don't matter as long as they're this layout 3 and 1, because the harness that connects here is 3 and 1. So as long as they have the same shape, these two screw holes and the little advancing manual here for the timer, you're good to go. So I just bought a new one. It was about $7-8. I'm gonna replace it as soon as it comes, and I hopefully make an update video for. I'm gonna take it out and test it to see how this motor is supposed to turn, because this one is not turning, it's just going back and forth like a washer. So that's a video how to open and test. You also can do continuity between this terminal and these two terminals once you advance it, but that's just gonna give you context for the test for the contacts here, but not for the motor, because this is the one that's doing the job on turning and moving the defrost heater like that, and stopping it at 10-hour or 8-hour intervals and turning on the defrost heater. So now we found that was defective, and still defective should be turning freely and advancing this gear, and that one should be engaging all these gears and turn for 10 hours, and then changing the switch to turn on the defrost heater and thaw the ice and continue the cycle again. Okay, please thumbs up. And this is not working, I'll replace it. You can test it out. This is live 120. You can test it out. There's 2 leads here from the motor. That's how you test it out, and it's pretty simple. Please thumbs up and share. Thank you.